Today, I'm going to be a little tough here, but with all of the side businesses out there right now, why aren't you using them to make an extra $2, $3, or $4,000 a month online? Hello folks, welcome to my channel Online Money Logics. Today, I will tell you about earning $500 per day while sitting in the comfort of your home. That being said, what kind of work are you able to undertake? In this video, I'll show you 5 side hustles that you may perform to earn $100,000 or more in the next 12 months. Even if you don't make $100,000, will you be able to make $50,000 or $30,000 extra? Even if you give it just a little bit of your time, you should have an extra $2,000 or $3,000 in your pocket each month. Of all these side hustles, the best aspect is that none of them require any financial investment to get started. If you continue with it and take it more seriously, you may potentially make upwards of $10,000, $20,000, or even over $50,000 per month with several of these side hustles. This video promises to be very exciting. You're going to leave with clear instructions. I can assure you that by watching this video, you are going to be rich or at least not have the financial troubles you have right now. Let's get started. First hustle: video editing. I recommend that you become a video editor for people using YouTube and TikTok. Any kind of high-impact content editor. You will be surprised to learn that a large number of famous content providers on YouTube either use unskillful video editing techniques or edit their own films themselves. Today, video editing is becoming more and more common in every business due to its creative nature. It's the skill of adding, deleting, mixing, and arranging video clips so as to create an aesthetically beautiful final product. The need for video editors is always growing as clients are more drawn to sound and sights. Software and tools are improving as well to keep up with the industry's increasing demands for high-quality videos. Video editors must make subject matter engaging and simple to understand because the marketing sector is expanding rapidly. Beginners can find a lot of possibilities in this freelance work because tiny firms typically hire inexperienced video editors and have a tight budget. So, what you need all. Here are the 3 steps that help you make money by editing videos. 1. Right setup. 2. Invest in editing software. 3. Learn, revise, and practice. Right setup. Basic equipment you need is a laptop that allows the installation of heavy softwares for video editing. Sounds exciting to have own setup. I'm suggesting you few. High-quality audio hardware devices could be Sony WH-1000XM4, Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro, and Sennheiser HD569. Investing in editing software. Okay, so let's talk about the softwares. Though you can start with free versions of professional softwares, as good quality editing requires the addition of features that only paid softwares offer. This is so amazing. I'm guiding you about few game-changing softwares. Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora, Pinnacle Studio. Learn, revise, and practice. You need to learn and practice as much as you can because your skills will be upgraded, even though grasping and learning new things that will help you in implementation. Many materials are available online that are known as Skillshare courses. You can get 30 days free trial and learn how to make money by editing videos. Now, this is up to you. Quickly grasp this lifetime skill, folks. Second hustle is to be a Discord moderator. Become a Discord moderator is the next side hustle that's even simpler and requires even less experience for beginners than the previous one. Yes, this is real. There is a huge need for Discord moderators right now, whether it be from people looking to create communities on the platform. Discord moderators are desperately needed by a lot of people. Additionally, you know that most of the time as a Discord moderator, you're not actually performing too much technical know-how, but only making sure there is nothing inappropriate in someone's Discord is all that you are doing. According to ZipRecruiter, an average hourly pay for Discord moderator in the United States is $30.93 an hour, while ZipRecruiter is seeing hourly wages as high up to $53.61 and as low as $13.94. The majority of Discord moderator wages currently range B/W $21.15 to $36.30 across the United States. It implies that, depending on skill level, location, and years of experience, there can be a lot of people for growth and higher compensation. So further, I'm sharing a platform where you can get your way to be a Discord moderator. Discord.com is an online platform that recruits the moderators from all over the world. And yes, you need to sign up. Enjoy, folks. Third hustle is to be a sales closer. Next, I'm going to discuss another side hustle I'm going to suggest you folks will either be a huge success or a complete bust. Either the people listening to this will pursue it for the following year and easily earn $100,000, or they will be too bashful to even begin. Don't be upset. Believe in yourself. You gonna ace it. There are many people that sell things and have audiences on the internet. There are multiple online e-learning platforms that consist of two sides. First, they help common folks may easily launch a digital business and grow it to a monthly revenue of $10,000 or more. They achieve this by creating a digital retail agency and employing contractor arbitrage to really outsource all of the deliverables. That's only one aspect of the company. The second part of companies is helping current agency owners who are making $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, or $20,000 a month to reach a $100,000 profit margin with their firm. In a nutshell, the agency specialists come to such people to learn from them. So here, you can begin earning online money as a sales representative and earn dollars. Earn up to $10,000 to $15,000 monthly on pure commissions. It's all basically catering the queries of the people and providing them the solution. There are companies out there that require competent sales representatives, particularly those in the education and mastermind coaching sectors. Now, let me clarify that this isn't nearly as simple as, say, becoming a Discord moderator or a video editor. Both some time and some practice are required for this. You have the ability to earn not only $10,000 per month, but up to $30,000 per month. Fourth hustle is marketing agency. This is another absolute side hustle that helps you to earn online money. You may now be asking yourself, what are the differences, say, between working for an agency versus being a sales representative or a video editor? The reason for this is that, as an agency, you are the entity that stands above the individual who provides it. I'll elaborate on what I mean when I say that. As a marketing agency, just you are outsourcing your services to online clients. Here, I'm going to talk about what you are going to do. You can get online clients as well on online multiple platforms such as Upwork, Repstack, Fiverr, Blue Cactus, and the list goes on. Another way, you can find a contractor that you pay per month for per client. Thus, for each and every client they handle on your behalf, they receive this amount each and every month. You get up to $500 per month for your clients. And it does go massive by the time. You can begin with following services and get expert: SEO, content marketing, paid advertisements, email marketing, social media marketing, influencer marketing. Guys, feel free to be as creative as you like with it. This is exciting. First and foremost, creating an online boutique agency is the quickest route to $10,000 a month. It's the most adaptive skill, and you may earn from it by reaching 50, 75, or 100K each month with relative ease. Once you've been at it for a year, 2, or 3, and you have a really good right-hand man or lady, depending on the situation, to really sort of take over the reins for you, it's also the most hands-off. The fifth side hustle is related to YouTube. The final side hustle in today's we'll discuss has the longest tail, so it will take a while for you to see the outcomes of your work. But they will arrive rather rapidly once you spot them. Any guesses? Think for SEC. Yes, you got it. Creating a YouTube channel is the next step. When launching a YouTube channel, the most crucial thing to consider is how you want to monetize it in the future. These days, your YouTube channel might be a means of attracting customers to your business, whatever it may be. It might be a means for you to create content on coaching programs, masterminds, or anything else in the future. You may use it to market a subscription service. You know, having a YouTube channel will benefit you much in the long term. One of the greatest benefits someone could ever receive is the creation of a YouTube channel. So get going now. For the following 3 or 6 months, you won't notice any changes. You don't have to start from scratch when it comes to it, especially if you have a solid monetization plan in place. You know, all you have to do is add your own unique flavor and spice to the many various YouTubers who are already out there by simply following their comparable frameworks. There are many more side hustles, but these 5 I've included in this video. Just use your imagination. When you search for it, there are a ton of opportunities available. We go over everything, and I demonstrate to you how to put it into practice and grow to $10,000 a month as fast as is humanly feasible. In any case, I hope you all liked this video. You can help me out by letting me know which of the 5 side hustles I offered today are most exciting to you and why in the comments section below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay notified of the latest videos. Thank you for watching.